CatNap! Wake up, everybody!
What just happened? You guys are the bad guys. You're staying in here forever. Bad guys? What do you mean? You guys should know what you did.
Alright, class final exam. Remember, no cheating. If you do, it's going to be an automatic fail.
Oh no, Professor.
He'll never know.
You guys must pay, so you're gonna have to stay in here forever.
This will be your new jail. No! I don't want to be here forever.
We have to find a way out of here.
I have an idea. I see the key. Really?
Well, go get it. Go, come on.
Oh, it's too far. Oh, guys, I need help.
Here, grab my hand. Let's go. So you almost got it. Just keep going.
Uh-oh! How dare you steal my key?
Come here. Whoa.
What just happened?
Ask them. They tried to steal the key.
Really, guys? You're the bad guys.
They have to pay. Huh? What is this?
Then the key to get out of here.
Really?
Get out?
Yeah! It's not that easy. Huh? What happened?
Oh, look at the doors.
The doors. Are you messing with us?
Give us the key.
If you guys want to get out of here, you have to go through the door.
Win the challenge and then you'll earn the key.
Challenge?
We don't want to play. It all depends on you. You have to get out of here. I'll go first.
Okay.
Good luck. Okay. Huh? What is this? Welcome to the Blue Room Challenge.
Challenge? Ooh, the key! Let me get the key,
No, it's mine. If you want this key, you're gonna have to win a blue slimy challenge.
Blue slimy challenge? How?
You have to use whatever's here to make slime. You have 1 minute to do it, and your time starts now. Good luck. Okay.
Hey, watch out! Let's fight off!
Sorry! But do you know where I can find slime?
Oh, you have a big nose.
Oh, don't touch that!
Huh? What are these? Balloons.
I know what to do.
Here goes.
Green? That's the wrong color. Alright, next!
Here you go.
Come on, come on! Red? No! Ooh, more balloons are coming! Here goes! Blue! Yes! Let's see if this is also blue! Come on, come on! Blue again! Yes!
I got the blue glitter, but I need some glue.
I have an idea!
Glue!
Yes!
Yeah, I got glue!
Now I need magical liquid! First, open the cap of the magical liquid into the blue glue. Now, time to use my hands! Yeah, right in there! Whoa! Look at the slime!
Your 1 minute is up. What? How did you make the slime?
I made this with the help of this blue guy!
You're welcome!
Oh! Don't worry, I won't tickle you anymore. I'll have the key. Fine. Thank you. Yes. I can't believe you helped her. Guys, I got the key. Yes.
All right, it's my turn.
Oh, good luck then.
Whoa, where am I?
Hi there! Oh. Welcome to the Green Whack-A-Mole Challenge.
If you win, this key belongs to you.
Whack-A-Mole challenge? How do I play?
That's very easy. First, you just need to hold the hammer. During the challenge, balloons and DogDay's head will pop up. If you pop a balloon, you get 1 point. If you hit DogDay's head, you lose 1 point. If you get 10 points in 30 seconds, then you win the key. But if you don't, you'll be stuck here forever!
Oh, that seems scary, but challenge accepted.
All right, your challenge will begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
Got 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I've almost got it. 8, 9. Oh
You
no!
have 5 seconds left.
5,
9,
4,
one more,
3,
one more.
2.
10, I win! Yeah! Now give me the key. Give me my key.
Fine.
Congratulations!
You didn't win that. Did you have something to do with this?
Guys, I'm back. Check it out. I got the key. Good luck. Welcome to the yellow challenge.
If you win, you get the yellow key.
Really? What challenge is it?
This is the ball toss challenge.
Ball toss challenge? Easy peasy.
It's not that easy. You have to learn the rules. First, you need to sit on the clock and use your feet to pedal on the machine. As you pedal, the machine will rotate left and right. Then use your hand to make the hook go down. You have to control the hook to take the ball from the bottom. When the ball reaches the top, you can take it with your hand. Now, just toss the ball into the bucket. Each ball that stays in the bucket gives you 5 points. If in 30 seconds you reach 10 points, this star belongs to you.
Oh, this challenge seems really hard, but challenge accepted.
All right, your challenge begins now.
Come on, Zoey.
CatNap, you can't blow to make a move. That's cheating. Let me do what I want. No.
Hey, that's cheating!
I didn't touch it.
Yes, I got one!
Stop. You gotta hit parents.
Stop. I can do anything. No.
Yes, I got 5 points!
Only 15 seconds left. Oh, let go of me. She's gonna win the challenge.
No. Oh, no, I have to help her.
What happened? I have more energy!
Gotcha!
Zoey, you have 10 points.
Bye, guys!
Bye. This is all your fault. You cheated. You helped her out. How dare you?
Guys, I got the last key! Good job!
Zoey, there's only one door left. The red door. You know, let's all go together.
Yes.
All right, Crafty Hacks on 3. 1,
1, 2, 3, Crafty Hacks!
Come on, let's go.
Yeah! Where are we?
Welcome to the Red Balancing Challenge.
Red balancing challenge.
What is it?
Let me explain to you guys. It's very easy. This game requires 3 people. First, you have someone at the helm, steering as it goes down. Second, you have someone right here who will drop the ball onto the track. Third, you have someone at the end to retrieve the ball. If your ball makes it into the hole at the end of the track, you get 1 point. If the ball falls off the track, you get 0 points.
If in 30 seconds you get 10 points, you'll get the final key.
That sounds like fun.
Let's play.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
First one.
Here we go. Second.
Almost there.
Yes!
We got 1, 2,
Yes, 3. We're so good at this. 4, 6.
All right, we win. Where's our key? Fine, just take it.
Yeah. Nice job.
This is all your fault. You always let them win so easily.
Here's all the keys. Let's get out of here.
Whatever.
Okay.
Oh, let's learn this. This is so crazy. I know.
I want to meet them.
No, you don't. They're so mean. DogDay and CatNap are so mean. You don't want to meet them. Everybody quiet!
Why'd you put us in here?
Let us out of here! You guys have to pay for stealing my giant football machine!
Football machine.
What are you talking about?
I'll show you the proof. Look at this! How do you guys explain that?
That doesn't mean anything.
Let us out of here! No one leaves until I find my gumball machine!
Guys. Stacy's sleeping. Do you guys want to get out of here?
Sure, but how? Yeah, she's so strict.
Don't worry, I'm a master lockpick. Watch this.
What's taking so long? My turn. Go, Jude. Go, Jude. I almost got it. Go, Jude. You almost got it. It's not that easy, Jude. You guys want to escape? Fine.
Giant block! How do we escape?
You'll never be able to escape. The only way is to find my gumball machine. I don't want to stay here forever. We're not the thieves.
Guys, don't worry. Check this out. Abracadabra.
A magical portal. What's that for?
It's really easy. Just go into the portal and grab the key from there. Don't worry, guys. I'll go first.
Where'd he go? He just disappeared.
Huh? Where am I? Whoa. There's so many balloons. Oh, and the key. I'm gonna go get the key.
Stay right there! How dare you try to steal it? That's my key!
Huh? Where am I? I'm trying to go Please let me out. I don't want to be a cake.
If you want to get out of the cake and win the key, you have to win my challenge.
What's the challenge?
You're gonna play the green balloon challenge. To play this game, you have to stand 10 feet away from the first door. Now you have to run very quick into the door. When you get to the door, use your bare hand to pop the balloon. After that, you have to walk backwards and pop all the balloons. If you can pop all the balloons in 30 seconds, you can win the key and your freedom.
Oh, that seems hard, but challenge accepted.
Okay, let the challenge begin. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And your 30 seconds starts now.
Oh, looks like it's time to jump.
Now you can only use one leg. Now go backward. 5 seconds left. 1, 0. Time's up.
I won! Yeah!
That's impossible.
I got the green key. Guys, I'm back. I got the key.
Good job, man. I'll go next. Gone.
Okay.
Huh? Where am I? What's that sound? Ow! What?
Chocolates, I love.
There's the key. That was so easy.
Not so fast. How dare you steal my candy? You have to pay.
I cannot move. Please let me out, please.
If you want to get out of here, you must win my challenge.
Oh, what challenge is it?
My challenge is very easy. You just need to grab one blue candy and then dip it in the blue chocolates. If you can do it, you'll win my challenge.
That's it?
Yup, that's it.
Okay, challenge accepted.
The challenge begins.
Huh? Why is everything black and white? How do I know which one's blue? I don't know.
Don't try to memorize the colors. I will be mixing all of them up.
This is unfair. You didn't say anything about black and white.
You didn't ask me. Do you want the key or not?
Oh, fine. I know. I can choose by the flavor. Oh, this one is watermelon. No, that's red. Maybe grape. That's purple. Oh, wait, raspberry. That's definitely blue.
Hurry up. I don't have all day.
Okay, I choose the raspberry jelly rancher.
Now, you need to choose which one.
I'll use the same method. Oh, wait, that's kiwi. That's green. Okay. Oh, cherries. That's red. Okay, let's see this one. Berries? Fruit? I don't know. That's definitely lemon. So that's yellow, which means I think this one's blue.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Okay, here goes. I think this is blue.
Sure?
Yeah, final answer.
All right. Let's see.
I got it right! Yes! Yay! I win! I get the key!
Okay, here you go. Good job.
Yes!
Oh, man. Back to my chocolates.
Guys, I'm back! Look, I got the key!
Wow, great job. I'm going next.
Oh, look at the key! He's got it! He's got it!
Oh, where am I? Oh, I love this red around here. The red key. Oh, no. What's happening? Ah! Oh, someone help me.
take my key?
Who are you?
You don't need to know. Now give me back my key.
Wait, but I really need it.
No way. If you want this key, you're gonna have to win my challenge.
What challenge is that?
Ha ha ha. The floor is lava.
Seriously? That challenge is boring.
How dare you say my challenge is boring?
Okay, calm down.
Oh man, it's so hot in here. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean that.
So are you gonna do my challenge or not?
All right, I'll do it.
Sweet. All right, and the challenge begins now.
Ah! Oh my gosh, there's lava everywhere. What do I do? Give me one of these pillows. Oh no, that didn't work. What am I gonna do? Huh? This blue bin seems to be fine. Oh my gosh, I can use this to get across. I can get into this blue bin. Ooh, time to use the back as a paddle. All right, let's go. It's working. Almost there. Whew. Paddling through that lava sure is tiring. Finally, I'm here. The key's just right over there. Oh, I can't quite reach it. I can use my paddle. Here we go. I got it! Yeah, let's go! Woo!
Oh, you won already? Impossible.
Send me back.
Fine. He's too smart for me.
Guys, I did it. I got the red key.
Good job! My turn! Oh, Zoey, pushing! Whoa, where am I? The yellow key! And all this yellow candy! I love it! Ooh. Now, time for yellow nerds!
What are you doing with my phone?
Oops, sorry, it was so delicious. Bye!
Not that easy.
Oh no, I'm in jail again! Can you get me out of here, please?
You ate my candy and now you're trying to steal my key? Ah!
I'm sorry, someone let me out of here, please!
If you want to get out of here, you have to make me feel happy.
Make you feel happy? I have an idea! Haha! Put the whoopee cushion on the chair. Now you can sit down. That's so funny! Don't you feel happy now?
Does it look like I'm laughing?
Hold on! I know what to do! See?
Lord, have fun in jail!
Oh, wait, hold on!
What now?
Give me 1 second, I'll make something for you. Alright, time to make something crazy. First, we pour some glue in the bowl. And then, we add some glitter. Next, we need a spoon. Use the spoon to mix everything up. Now, add some activator. And use the spoon to keep stirring. Now we have crazy glitter slime. Whoa, look at it. Ragatha, come here. Put your hand in. It'll make you feel so relaxed. Hey. See, put your hand in. Don't you feel relaxed?
So relaxing.
Why don't you sit down?
Wow. Whoa.
I got the key.
Wow.
Guys, we won. I got the key.
Okay, everyone, use your keys to open up the locks.
Okay.
Here goes nothing.
This works.
Guys, if we don't find the gumball machine, we're going back to jail for sure.
Oh yeah, Stacy would definitely do that.
Yeah.
So what do we do?
I have an idea. Let's check the video footage.
Hey, wait, pause. Wait, look at that. We have to tell Stacy. Stacy!
Hey, how'd you guys get out of my jail?
Never mind that. Watch this.
What? They stole my gumball machine?
Yeah, we told you we're innocent.
I'm sorry. Will you please help me get my gumball machine back?
Crafty Hacks is on the case. Hi everyone. If you guys like the video, leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.